Drafting worldwide. Welcome back to Revit Tools, Tips and Tricks. In this video, I'm going to go through and show you how to create a custom wall. So first of all, I'm going to click on the wall, and the generic 6 is going to be my default whenever I do that. So I'm just going to simply click Edit Type. I'm going to choose Duplicate. I'm going to call this 2x6 stud with OSB / vinyl. Say OK. I'm going to edit the structure, and in here the first thing I'm going to do is my structure is going to change to 5.5 inches thick. That would represent the actual thickness of my 2x6. I'm going to come up here to the exterior side, click there, and insert another material. This one is going to be my substrate, and I don't need to put the material in there right now. Maybe for later I'll put that in just for renderings, and make this 0.5 inches thick. And then on this side I'm going to insert another one. I'm going to make this one 0.75 inches. And this one is going to be my finish layer, and this is going to be my material. Eventually I will go through and I'll find clapboard or vinyl siding to add there. And then down here I'm going to add one and push it down to the bottom, and I'm going to make that finish number 2, and this would be my gypsum wall board, and it's going to be 0.5 inch thickness. And just to show you real quickly, if I click on that and I change that material, then I can come in here and find GWB gypsum wall board. I'll say OK, and now the material is represented in there. I just say OK, OK again, and now I have a basic wall 2x6 stud with OSB and vinyl siding. Whenever I draw this, it might look like a regular wall in that view. If I change the scale, say I change it to 1/4, I zoom in and I change my detail level down here to 5, then I can see the multiple layers. And the higher scale that you have, the more detail that you can see.